We'll find that during the stream. Okay, and we are live now. Post message posted. And let's go.
Ooh, we are live. Let me do that voice check.
Message posted. And let's go.
Ooh, we are live. Let me do that voice check.
I have to increase the mic.
Okay, my seems to be good. Oops, I have to move it a little bit. I am back, guys. I am back again on Wednesday. Wasn't planning on doing this on Wednesday, but can't do anything, you know. Actually, it's a good thing Arnaud remembered me, but yeah, I had to take the cat to veterinary. I had to take her again today, actually. I mean, had to. And I have to take her again tomorrow. She's need to get some shots because, you know, hopefully it's not corona. I think it's cold or something. I just don't know. It's just a stressful situation when it comes to all of this. Ildoin says, soon 4K subscribers on the channel. Yes, soon, man, soon. Like... I mean, like lately, for the past like a month, I didn't want to do a lot of bullshit videos, you know, because, I mean, obviously there were videos to make, but I still get that problem. If I'm not gonna take the trade myself, why would I actually make the video, right? Because that wouldn't make any sense. That would just place me in the same kind of a spiral as everyone else. And you know, obviously, if you're doing like 6 videos per week, you know, you're not gonna possibly have all of them. I mean, you're not gonna enter all of them, right? Because that would be a lot of trades, especially if you're trading at spot. Wait, let me actually reduce the mic a little bit. That should be great now. Yeah, that should be better. Okay, yeah. But yeah, I mean, we are here back again, right? Let's do a little bit of a market overview again, and let's see where we actually stand. With the Bitcoin, I still stand what I said in the free chats. I still stand by it. Wait, actually, let me check what my voice is right now. Oh yeah, my voice is cool. Okay, so I still stand what I said in the free chats, right? I mean, I'm still pretty sure Bitcoin is gonna retest the 59k next, and you know, this is actually, I mean, it's not necessary. It's not really bearish, right? Because we have gained something to the left side with this last push. And this one, you know, we have confirmed something. And for me, that's basically a confirmation that I need, that I'm going to expect the 59k again. And, you know, we are going sideways. We're not really creating any lower lows. You can see it's lower highs. So that's so far so good. But I still, you know, what is going to happen right now. It's what you can basically see, right? The range is tightening up, right? And then probably it's going to move up once it finally makes its decision. And that's, I'm gonna waiting for it, right? Because there are gonna be some positions that have to be hedged at the moment, at this time. So yeah, Classic David, we'll come back to the stream. Classic. So yeah, again, like we said, the stream was moved 1 day forward. I know you rushed last night to home and I kind of let you down, man, but I'm sorry. But that's why I'm here today, right? So it's just moved by 1 day. So hopefully I didn't mess up your entire day last night. Yeah. So hey guys, I'm outside doing my exercise routine. We'll watch later. Okay, so you're outside doing your exercise routine. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Classic, you know, you gotta keep your health fitness up. That's pretty good. Got trapped in Tomo. Can you look how bearish it is? Bitcoin dominance not having strong reaction yet. Do you still see it coming to 58%? Yes, actually, Bitcoin dominance, I haven't checked it since the last stream, so we will do that today, but we'll do that a little bit later. So you got trapped in Tomo. Okay, so I'll cover the Tomo after that. So as I was saying, right, Bitcoin is, now one good thing about this is Ethereum is actually stronger again than Bitcoin. And this is exactly what we were talking about, that Ethereum, it's time to have a little bit of a run up, because on Ethereum BTC charts, especially on the old ones, you can see that there is a lot of main levels that we haven't tagged yet, right? And this one being one of the biggest. And right now what I'm seeing from this current price action, this now gives us a very good chance of tagging the level right here, which still leaves us, as we were measuring at the time, almost 100%, or if you took it all the way to the top, it's 100%. So the thing is, our only fear was, well, if Bitcoin goes down, then Ethereum, even doing this, you know, will not gain so much in value. And this is exactly what's happened again, right? Because essentially, essentially, if you look at it from this perspective right now, I mean, Ethereum didn't even make all-time high yet from the previous structure, right? And if you look at it, that all-time high was at like, what was like 15 April? And you look at it, by the time it's like, it pumped a lot since the 15 April. Let me see where it's, yeah. So you can see, right? So you have made a move of like, what, 14% since the 15 April and still haven't claimed back that all-time high, right? So for you, Ethereum Bitcoin ratio doesn't always make sense to watch it from terms of USD, because if the Bitcoin goes down and Ethereum goes up, then obviously you won't gain much in the dollar value. But as I said, I mean, we said it before, this is some easy way to make some extra BTCs as we were planning, and we did hit our last profit take, right? Now we can move for something bigger. Now I did take my last profit take here as well, because I am going to go for a retest. So what I want to see now essentially at this one is blowing off this top, and then I'm gonna be moving back for a retest somewhere around here. We'll see when the price action is actually gonna form itself, and probably for this one I'll make another video, right, as I did down here. Let me just see how long does this trade took us to play out. So actually did took us almost 3 weeks, but it's still, I mean, this was probably one of the most amazing trades we've had. I mean, just in the nature of how up it was going. It's just, you know, no zero bullshits, you know. And I know on the previous stream we also talked about this, right? As we had zero reaction from under it, and as we come above it, look at that, immediate reaction and holding this spot, right? So you can already see that was a that was a quite an important area, even though we haven't seen any reaction or any rejection from the profit take. I still think the profit take there taken was very good. Okay, so yeah, let's check your Tomo right now. And Safe Moon, I was expecting that one to be asked in this chat. I mean, I did a video about Doge, right? I did a video about Doge because I was getting so many requests for Doge, right? And the video, I basically, you know, split it down the three areas if you haven't watched it, right? So this one was based off a 15-minute area. So saying if this one starts to lose, this one is the next one to hold, and if this one starts to lose again, you're gonna hit this one, right? We came pretty close to this one. But still, if you look at it, 15-minute time frame, this was the low time frame bullish area to hold, and you lost it. Then this was like a 4-hourly bullish area, and you kind of lost it again, even though you just reclaimed it back in. And this is the daily, right? As soon as you start closing underneath this area on the daily, you're definitely gonna be going into bearish mode on Doge, right? So Doge is one of those problematics, is because once you start closing underneath this one, you're gonna revisit. Wait, let me see. Sorry, you're gonna revisit this one very fast, because I can see a lot of panic going underneath there, and that'll probably end up bullish to our chart of the entire Doge, right? I mean, it still has chances, but you know, after a drop like this, I definitely doubt so. But yes, at least we were right about one thing, right? A lot of whales sold up here, a lot of whales, because we can see from the volume, right? A lot of dumps were happening, and they kind of did run out of steam, right? That was the only thing I was worried in the video. If they're gonna run out of steam, what's gonna happen? And they did run out of steam, sadly, right? So too many whales were taking profits here, or whales knew exactly what they were doing and they wanted to take profits here, which is, if the whales are exiting, kind of makes me doubt it's gonna pump, right? But from the price action standpoint, unless it goes underneath here on daily, then we should still be good. But you know, it's not something I would be happily trading at the moment, right? So yeah, sorry, Tomo, back to Tomo. Sorry, USDT, you got trapped in Tomo, you say, and you're fearing that it's bearish. So let's see what we can actually do here. Oh my gosh, well, lucky for you, you're most likely going to retest this. It's got a high chances of retesting. So if you got stuck in Tomo, bro, DUS is your TP. You know, DUS TP. Yeah. So you got high chances of revisiting this. But if you're feeling anxious, or if your fill spot is lower and you're feeling that it's going to be bearish rejection, then this is a spot. This is the spot that we last time we drew. And right now I can see, since we ignored it on the way down, we're most likely going to have a reaction here already. But I'm not sure if it's going to break down, because you didn't lose this area. But you did create a lower low from this area, right? But it's just a week, right? So, and since it's bull market, this can still be negated. But yes, Depends of where your entry really is. If your entry is anywhere up here, then yes, you're gonna have to go for the secondary one, but secondary one can be this. But since it's bull market, I'm gonna give it the benefit of a doubt, and I'm just gonna, you know, keep it for this one and then see what's gonna happen. But yes, I think this was our TPs, right, for the Tomo, if I remember correctly. What was I aiming here? Is this made? I don't remember why I placed these lines up there, but it's probably due to fibs. So I mean, those fib area, I mean, it's not too bad, right? I mean, it came close. We'll see right now. But obviously, oh wait, actually, let me go on 4 hourly. Yeah, this is. Yeah, you should still be good. You should still be good for at least this. Yeah, you should still be good. I'm not gonna. You kind of did test this, so now if you kind of come up, you're gonna test this. Yeah. So yeah, that one should be good for now. So that would be a profit take for you if you're being stuck in there. You gotta be careful with that. Safe moon, wait, safe moon. Where do I have to chart safe moon? I think it's Dex Guru, right? Dex Guru, Guru Dex. Yeah, I think something like that, right? Oh, a Guru Dex. It's loading. It's loading. What's the name? Safe moon. Safe. Emphasis on being safe. Because it's safe. Apparently it's safe. Who the freak knows if it is? Oh my gosh, why is it loading so long? Help me, Arnaud. Help me.
I wish I could, man, but...
Why, man? What the hell is safe? I just want to be safe. Wait, no, I just had it. Why is it loading again? Safe. No. Look at how many shitcoins there is, man. They're creating a shitcoin every minute or something. There's so many fake shitcoins. Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. Come on. Come on, hit me. Okay, fine. That's the spot. That's the spot. Look at that. Look at how many shitcoins are. Okay. Ooh, Safe Moon, aka Rock Pool. No, not Rock Pool, but somebody sold a lot. What the heck am I supposed to comment on this chart? I mean, this has to be dead, right? I mean, what the heck was this? Like, what kind of a pullback was this? 60% lost 1, 2, 3, 4 areas. Yeah, I mean, if you're still somehow magically holding this, if you have the iron hands, sell. You know, sell on this retest. You kinda are right here, right now. I mean, that's how you play Safe Moon safe, by selling it right here. And you'd be happy that they gave you another chance, because this, I thought first it was a little bit of a rug pull. And look at it, this should just happen in 3-4 hours. Oh my gosh, then you know how liable these shitcoins really are. So yeah, Safe Moon, safe sell it up here, because this is definitely not a good spot to be in anymore. OMG, let's check out OMG. Bam. Haven't checked this one in a while, have we? Oh, yep, it's been a long while. Oh, I actually remember this one. Yeah, this one didn't fill me there. I was like, what the freak? How did they pump it so much? Yeah, I never had an almost held pullback. I was still playing a little bit defensive back then, also do mind that, right? It was in May. Yeah. Okay, so I haven't had this one in a while, but I can see from the tops of it, it's just a similar price action, you know? It's similar price action. You want to be holding this, because you want to be holding those highs. And if you're holding those highs, you're going for that moonshot again. If you're going lower than this, it gets tricky. So yeah, 30%. 30% upon before first profit take. A pretty nice trade, actually, if my man. We can actually go on 4 hour. Let's see how this actually did. So it's a second, very similar to Bitcoin, at the moment, and holding the bullish area. So this should be good. This should be good for another 30%, you know, possibly even more. Nothing too much. But again, right, if you already are holding similar positions, which you probably are, because, you know, there's a lot of alts are looking the same right now, then don't overextend yourself a lot. But yeah, so far still looks good for a nice moonshot. Actually, let me see BTC version. Oh, BTC version. This BTC version actually failed us. No. Why have you forsaken us? Wait, this trade is from here, right? I think so, because we haven't watched it. So it has failed us then? And it is failing us? No. Well, but actually change it a little bit, no? But still... Yeah, wouldn't exactly be stopped just yet, yeah. But it would be close, because the area would now be moving down here. It actually wouldn't be that far fat anymore. Let me delete this. Let me redo this. Let me redo this. Just a moment. Just a moment. Boom. And yeah. Long position. Bam. Whoa. That's a fat stop loss. But actually, let me see to the left. Test it, test it, test it, test it. Test it, test it. Test it. Yeah, around here. What is that? 13% stop loss? Yeah, more than expected, yeah. Profit take. A little bit here. How much do we get out there? 2.7 or 35%, pretty similar. And I would rather take USDT trade, to be honest. It's much nicer, but it's basically the same kind of scenario. I mean, sorry, scenario, the same kind of move, right? So I would rather take USDT chart, to be honest with you. Hot. Then for hot USDT, I think the resistance zones. Hot USDT. Wow. Wow. So wait, this is the area that we have now lost. Okay, we got a nice reaction from it, but then now we have lost. Oh boy. Okay, hot is definitely not looking so hot anymore. Wait, what is that? 2 candles? Second candle incoming. Okay, gotta go for the next one, right? Because we have nothing to the left side, if I'm not mistaken. There's nothing, yeah. Nothing to the left side. Then we are gonna do this. The problem only is this can only give us a reaction of 20%, maybe. Depends on how. If it comes down like this, starts hitting this, I would not take the trade. Let me tell you that. What this is cancer right now. And why this is cancer, right, is because you're retesting every level on the way down, right? So once it comes down here, you're expecting, wow, like this is gonna go now, this is gonna go fine, but you're actually forgetting that every level was retested, so it's gonna do something like this, bam, and can go right down under. What you need to do in those moments is you need to wait for it to hit this area. Actually, let me delete it a little bit now. To actually wait to hit this area, right? And if you have a structure coming in like that, you wait to hit this area, you wait for it to go sideways, blah, blah, whatever it has to do, and then wait to regain the area, and bam, right, smashing somewhere around here. And then you have that confirmation that it's gonna go test the previous main area. In this case, you have to know which one is the previous main one. And in that case, it would happen, that would be around 40 to 50%. But it's definitely losing a lot of its bullishness. Let me actually check the daily. Yeah, that's a 70% down here, and you're about looking at 60%, so it's going to be similar safe moon. That was your bullish spot to hold, and right now we're getting a second candle under it, so we'll see where the close is going to be. So then I would have to anticipate this one, to be honest. And for the future, right, you know, I know we played this trade, but this trade is still applicable, right? I mean, this is on the way down, this is still going to be filled, there's still going to be profit takes on this one, so everything is... So we'll see. We'll see, actually. So now we can delete this and actually wait for it to see what's gonna happen, right? Bam. Bam. And see where the price action takes us. Max Ronka, hey guys, didn't make it in the previous weeks, but good to hear you, Alex. Well, thank you, man. Thank you for joining. No worries if you haven't made it in the previous weeks. We are still here every week, like we said, right? I mean, sometimes we change it up a little bit. We go from, you know, Tuesday to Wednesday, or vice versa, you know, it doesn't matter really. So yeah, but glad to have you here, man. Good to hear the cat has received its second COVID booster and it's now immune. Yeah, I do hope it's actually not COVID. I mean, they didn't say it's COVID, they said it's cold, right? And you can, so I don't even know, man. It's just, I definitely wouldn't be happy if my cat died, right? Because first of all, I actually love my cat, right? I mean, obviously as a pet man, right? And the cat was freaking expensive, you know, so also, but not that I'm watching it from a monetary value standpoint. I just, you know, I like the cat, right? So it would be a sad thing for it to go. XRP, oh yeah, Ripple, huh? Everybody loves the Ripple. Everybody, no, not the Binance, fuck that. Give me Polo. Wow, talking about sniping that TP. Wait, no, wait, that's not the right chart. What was I even doing with this chart? Bam. Wait, not Polonius. Why am I? Where's the bitstamp? That's what I'm looking for. Bam. That was it, right? Ooh, bullish area didn't last. Wait, is that not? This chart has nothing. Wait. Am I clueless here? I'm pretty sure we had a TP at 195. Or did I make a video about that? Interesting. XRP. Bitfinex? Nope. XRP USDT. Then it was Polo. Nah. Heck, I have so many charts. Why do I have so many charts?
It was Bitstamp, I think.
Yeah, but I don't have anything saved on there, which is a little bit weird because I am almost certain that I called the TP at 195 because somebody even in free chat told me that TP was a sniper. I guess I maybe deleted it. I have no fucking clue, to be honest with you. Maybe it was a video. We had TP around here then. Let's just put it that way. I don't know from where, so I'm not gonna make these claims. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Not gonna make it now. But okay, so sniper, yeah. So let's see. Let me actually go on lower time frame charts. Oh shit. Okay, so XRP is right where it needs to be. XRP is right when it needs to be. Bam. Oh man, this is so close, huh? This can actually go all-time high still. It's so similar to Bitcoin again in the price action, right? Yes, you can still happen this. You can still go for $3 when I place this trade here, but then the area failed us. The most bullish areas failed because Bitcoin failed, and that was the area to hold if you wish to continue. But this is actually still good to go, you know. Not gonna lie to you, bro. This is still good to go. So XRP is still good. I mean, for $3, you still have decent chances. I'm now seeing this chart a little bit closer. Yep, you're right on the edge. Right on the edge. So yeah, still have chances, man. Still a hold. Maybe it was XRP BTC. I know I had a chart for XRP, like a deep one, which was a much better than shit. I mean, much more latest one. I don't think it was Kraken, was it? No. Okay, I don't know, man. That chart is somewhere hidden. Somewhere hidden in plain sight, and I can't find it. Because definitely wasn't Binance. Binance doesn't have enough history. Yeah, screw it. Oh, it's probably this one, yeah. Okay, no, this was the TP, yeah. Okay, never mind. It's probably this one, yeah. But okay, now we charted another one yet again. So every time we're gonna chart XRP on different chart, because that's how we roll. I think Doge will touch 25 Satoshi. Listen. Glava, listen. Doge will touch. Again, where is my chart? Holy shit, am I retarded? Like I... here we go. Yes, listen. Doge will touch this. Minimum, 100 Satoshi minimum. And after that 100 Satoshi, after bear market kicks in, Doge will touch 25 Satoshi. Like it or not, when I see a chart like this, bam, and then bam. Right? Easy. Just, you know, look at that. 87% drop. Maybe not. Okay, maybe 20 to 25 Satoshi would be a little bit of a hard thing to say, right? Would be, let's just put it this way. Okay, the project is there, right? I mean, there's no devs or anything is being done on the project, okay? So 80% is coming, like that's for sure. 80% downfall is coming, and I don't even think you need a bull market for it, because in how fast it went up, you know how usually it's crypto, it's as fast as it's gonna go down when it finally ends up its run, right? So I'm gonna say like this, but then after this happens, obviously I'm gonna be seeing that still, if the bear market is gonna be hard enough, it's gonna hit this. It always has returned to its origin right here. So I'm still gonna assume it's gonna happen, but this is obviously a bullish continuation, right? And it would say, well, it's gonna continue. Well, it should supposed to be having a reaction already from 200 Satoshi, right? But I think on the lower time frames, we might even get a little bit earlier. So you can see already this is why it's already reacted a lot from 400. But yeah, I'm still seeing that 200 is going to be, somewhere where we're going to get a reaction again, because there's a lot of volume. And, even though it's not going to go in straight line down, because, a lot of people are going to be buying in this area. So I still think you're going to get a decent reaction, probably, let's see what we can actually expect. Almost a two times reaction. And then we'll be seeing how much more power people actually have. But one thing I fear is this coin is going to be forgotten and then revived somewhere in the future again, like everyone. But yeah, what a good trade we had, huh? What a good trade we actually had on it. This was called back in February. I know this was held for so long, and then you've guessed it, I freaking sold it too soon. Like everything else, always. Call me paper hands. I'm always selling shit too soon. But who the hell could expect such, who the hell could expect such TikTok support and everything? You can never predict these things, how far they're gonna pump, right? That's why you should be leaving a runner more consistently when it's coming to bull market. Should not be selling everything, just leaving a runner, see how far it can actually go, right? Should be doing that a lot more frequently, but it's something you have to, is something you have to teach yourself, and which I definitely have an issues with. So yeah, most likely have to work a little bit better on it in the future. Can you look at BNB? Yes, I was actually looking BNB just today. I was actually looking for BNB just today because I was doing a little bit of a projection, right, where it could potentially go. And yeah, so far, we are good, right? So far we are good. Again, we were quite on the edge, and as far as we held this, right, and everything, we have a good chances of now holding this and actually going for that potentially, even possibly, I'm gonna say, right, don't take me for a word for it, $1,000. Yes, close to $1,000. BNB is not out of the question yet, to be honest, with this price action. And especially if you look at it on daily, it doesn't look that bad either, right? On daily definitely looks like continuation is on the way. But the worst thing would now be if now this rejects, goes all the way down here and loses this. If this rejects, goes all the way down, loses this, then yes, that's going to be a major problem for BNB. Then this one would probably have to be your stop loss, because if it loses something like this, boy, oh boy, you could be testing 250. Which again, I'm not going to say it's because of the current position of Binance Smart Chain. I don't think it's going to happen, because, unless Bitcoin obviously turns bearish. But so far, Bitcoin has no indications yet to turn bearish, right? So we should be still good for maybe another month, 2, 3, or who knows, 6. But I don't know. We definitely are struggling a lot more than we did back in the past. So maybe it's also close to being over as well, right? I know the stream is more about users' requests on coins, but can you let us know what are your picks for short-term trade, medium-term trade, best long-term, aside for BTC? I mean, believe it or not, a lot of trades I take are actually being called on stream, because I don't really do that much FA, right? I don't really do that much FA, so I just scroll around and I see, oh boy, look at that, that's a nice coin. When somebody calls it, that's a nice coin. Well, back in the past I had the Serum, right? That was the coin that I kind of took for a longer period of time, and before it actually started crashing down, so I get stopped out, and then I was doing another, and I enter it, and I still am kind of holding it, right? But you can not a lot is happening in terms of price wise. This is exactly right. It could, and it potentially probably will again die in the bear market. So when it comes to bear market, I don't like to have long-term holds. I don't. I'm just gonna be buying Bitcoin and Ethereum on the way down, and probably will add BNB to it, because I am absolutely impressed by BNB, and not just because they're doing a chain. Couldn't give it two shits about their chain, right? But the way Binance just pushes their coin, and the way they're adding products all the freaking time, like Binance has zero chill. So definitely be loading on in the next bear market on BNBs as well, right? Well, probably I'll still buy some Doge and all of that crap, right? But all of that crap is never gonna amount to anything, if you ask me, right? So short-term trades, well, medium time trades, Neo, right? I mean, Neo, we held that one. We held Doge for a long time. I mean, Neo actually took us, wait, how long did Neo took us? Yeah, we called it even before this. This was a secondary trade that I did on channel. I think we called it even here somewhere in February, something like that. So we held Neo for a very long time. And then, yes, still hasn't made my profit take because I took it right here. Look at that. I took it right here. And, yeah, it missed me for like $1, $2 maybe, buck. So yeah, as how good I was on XRP, I failed at Neo because I was greedy. But yeah, Neo is still looking good, right? So I mean, even lower time frames, look at that, right? Neo, whew. Neo still has chances for that $300 run, right? $300 run. Yep, can still go. Wait, what? No, that's an old chart. Anyways, don't know which one is. But yeah, $300 run is still possible. That was midterm. Oh yeah, then another thing that I guess it's kind of a midterm. Zats, right? Zcash, sorry. Wait, Zcash USDT. Oh, I thought it was listed there. Yeah, Zcash, right? Another one. Wait, this doesn't seem to be the latest chart. What am I doing? Is that the latest? Kraken maybe? Nope. I'm pretty sure Polonix. Oh yeah, Polonix. Yeah, that's the latest chart. God damn, too many charts. Yes, Zcash. Again, I'm gonna be riding all the way up to the $500 area, and then we'll be seeing, right, how that one pans out. So that would be again medium one. I mean, Doge is finished for me. What else is sort of a medium one? What else are we holding? Yeah, BNB. I still got BNB, right? So yeah, I mean, those were pretty much. That would be pretty much it, I think. Classic David. Hey again, we'll catch the end of the stream. Also, oh yeah, Zcash hit the first profit take is the next TPN area. That's big. No, next profit take is $500 bucks. That's the one I'm going for. The next one, $500. So yeah, I'm gonna be going in for the big ones because it's, you know, bull market, so you gotta go for it. But yeah, classic. Stay updated on the free chat too, trying to get more users there. Yes, thank you, Robert G. You definitely are bringing the free chat to life, and I'm trying to chat as much as possible as well. You know, I've been coming on there and chatting with you as well, you know, on the stuff that happens. And yeah, I mean, it's definitely a good chat to have. So we'll see how many new members we can actually get there, and maybe, yes, you're right, we can get maybe some good conversation started. Evgeny Wolfman, hi guys. Yost, what do you think of? Okay, let me check. Yost, what IOTA is that? No, that's not IOTA. No, Yost is. Ooh, a long while I haven't checked this chart in a while, but look at that. Wow, this actually chart respected the price action quite beautifully in the past. Look at that, every single area, bam, 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 hit. So wait, what you're now saying is for 5.8, and yes, I mean, I would agree with you. Maybe you're a little bit of a defensive mode at 5.8, 5.6, 5.8. You know, it's actually, let me do an area ID. You know, maybe you're a little bit too defensive, and this is why you probably haven't been filled here. Because if I was looking at a chart like this, I would be looking for it to hold the previous highs, right? And yes, I mean, one high is here, one high is here, one high is here, right? And if you take right down the middle of this, right, you would be filled right at the bottom of this area right now. But let me check the 4 hourly. And yes, this actually potentially could not fill you anymore. Now, you have nothing to panic yet because you haven't confirmed anything. But now, if you start to move above this area right now, which you have newly created, you're going to get missed. Then you're most likely not going to be filled, you know. You have high chances of not being filled on that buy anymore. So you played it a little bit too defensively. This is actually very similar to somebody who posted a chart in free chat, I think, that played too defensively. I'm not sure if that was you, actually. But I actually had this conversation with somebody as well, that people were taking it too defensive. And yeah, in this case, same thing has probably happened. So we'll see right now. So far, you don't have to do anything because you've missed your opportunity anyways. So there's no, you don't want to touch it or anything right now because you definitely don't want to go or FOMO in. And if it does gain above this, you're most likely not going to be filled. But if it doesn't, then you still have good chances to being filled on the, your defensive positions. But yeah, you are in log. Yeah, yes, yeah. I saw logarithmic. I mean, especially when when I'm on XRP, I like to be in log mode because the charts are just easier to see. If I had exited like here, the charts are a little bit more messier, right? So for me, actually makes it more stable. Yeah. So it's not, so I actually like logarithmic mode on these crazy charts that are like that. The crazy upgain charts. Are you playing any launch pool tokens? Courts? Oh yeah, launch pool tokens. Trust me, if I had the capacity to get on into this, man, I would make some serious money. But it's couldn't get any at pre-sales, right? I couldn't get any at pre-sales. But I'm currently watching a launchpad called TPAD. I think it's called TPAD, yeah. Because I closed my TrustPad, TPAD. I think it's there's too many names. But yeah, something called like TPAD Launchpad, and I'm watching it and probably gonna do a quick flip when it comes to market. Yeah, so like that's essentially what I like to do with these launchpads, because they usually end up going up if they have projects launching on them. On the first reversal, I like to do a little flip and then possibly take it to 2x and sell it, right? I'm not playing it like this because I just don't want to be staying behind Uniswap for too long. TrustSwap? No, it's not TrustSwap. TrustSwap is already launched. Actually, let me check the Telegram, because I've closed all my Telegrams now. Otherwise, they're just pinging all the time, and I'll write it in the free chat after stream. But yeah, the thing is with Uniswap is I don't like to be looking at charts all day long, because it does take away your mental health, right? Obviously, and for that, I like to do sometimes flips, and those flips usually if I'm taking one, it's usually up to a day or two maximum, right? And that's usually what I do with these pads. But the problem is the best money, or let's just say the biggest money here, is made if you actually get in the pre-sale, right? You actually get private allocation, and for that, unfortunately, you do have to have some serious knowledge, not just serious knowledge of crypto, just serious connections to get in, because it's absolutely downright impossible to get into most of these. But again, they're getting oversaturated, let's be honest, right? Yes, card stack or card pad, or what the hell, what's the name again? There's card starter, yeah, and then paid one, and soul starter was also good. And what else? Polka starter was one of the first ones. Let's just say they're getting oversaturated and probably are not going to make that much money again as those did in the past, right? And that's just it, unless they're going to have like super big projects launching on them. That would be their only, sort of salvation. Engine looks great. Yeah, wait, in J. Yeah. Not the sexiest chart, but yeah, it looks great. You see, this is one of those charts that I don't like again. Not that I don't like it. It's just when the charts like this crash, again, maybe I'm putting it wrong, but let's just say every area when it came up, right, it always tested it right on the way. So in crypto, that can mean two things. You can count down and you have reaction from each one of them, and this is actually very beautiful, right? But in crypto, something can happen because everything was tested, liquidity was taken, it just goes bam. But yeah, usually when you test the area, you gain 2 levels, it kind of refreshes itself. So I think this chart is going to be fine. But yeah, actually you are right, this chart actually looks great. This chart looks great. I can't complain about it. Wait, actually let me exit the, yeah. I can't complain about it. Let me actually see how much this went up. Just a casual 2,500%. Why would we not own this? Arnaud, what are you doing with your life, man? Why are you not making 2,000% in these markets, Arnaud?
Because we sold too early.
Yeah, no, this one we haven't even traded, I don't think, because I have nothing on my chart. Maybe I need to add it to... Oops, at watch list. And yeah, you're absolutely right. It's gonna go above this. And from the nature of what I'm seeing here, this is, I'm gonna say this is gonna be your fill spot. Once it goes above that, this is gonna be, from what I'm seeing back from the past, this is gonna be your fill spot, you know, if you wish to play it. But if you're holding it, congrats, this still can go very far. You're doing very good with this one. So yeah, it does look great. You're right. Great, then hold it from 20 to 100. Yeah. I mean, Doge, right? That's Doge. Yeah, Doge, I agree, man. Like, if you go from there, then yeah, for sure. Like, this is where I'm going to start. Let's just say, hypothetically, this happens in the bear market, blah, 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 right? This is where I start to fill Doge. This is where I start to fill the Doge, you know, and we'll try to get, like, a good size position on it. Well, depends on how much the Bitcoin is going to be worth at that time, right? If the Bitcoin is like, I don't know, 10 grand, I would, yeah, probably try to fill a decent position, because I am pretty sure there's going to be reaction. And as you've been, right, this chart has literally worked since 2014. Like, no joke, this chart has worked since 2014, and you always had great reactions, right? We're talking 300, and now just a casual. Yeah, just a casual, guys, you know, just a casual. Oh, sure, just a casual. 3000%, right? I mean, that was totally predictable, am I right? Yeah, just a casual 3000%. Yeah, imagine if we kept the 5 Bitcoin position here and all the way to up there. Boy, oh boy, would be making some real dough, actually. Okay, let me see. Where have I left myself? Should I sell Waifu to all in short Doge? Well, no. No. But let me tell you this. The Doge is going to be a good short. The Doge is going to be a good short. I fear of only one thing, that I'm not going to catch it. Because it's going to be too volatile. I mean, it's going to be, when the panic sets in, right? It's going to be too much. But, you know, the most perfect scenario you can possibly lay it under this. Let's just say, right? The most perfect scenario, right? You drop underneath this, and then you don't go all the way to this, right? You drop underneath this, you start closing, couple of candles, and then you do a pullback to like something in the middle, maybe even top high. That would be already overstretching. You short it right in here, and then it goes here. Then you long it down here, and then it goes up here, right? And then you take a secondary short, and you either take profits on your longs or take a secondary short, and then boom, I'm just holding it. I'm holding it until it hits what I'm looking to hit. And that's actually the most perfect scenario, right? But this being so overextended, that's going to be a problem. What's going to happen is it's going to go underneath here. I'm probably more leaning towards this is going to happen, the second scenario, and the most shitty one, because this is what usually is, to my experience in crypto, when charts are that overextended. When it's going to go down, it's going to go down, just straight down, bam, straight down to this, right? And then hopefully you're going to get a strong reaction, because if you don't, it's going to do something like this and go down further, right? Because it's, as far as it overextended like the way it pumped up here and retested none of the levels, the same thing can happen on the way down. And in that case, you're not going to catch the short unless you're going to be gambling on it, right? And this is not something I like to do, you know, I don't like to gamble. So yes, Doge short is going to be very good short, but only if we are lucky. I mean, you gotta need some luck that you're gonna actually have a perfect fill spot for it. Because Dogecoin is one of those coins that can liquidate you fast. Like, you know, there's so much liquidity present in this. So definitely I wouldn't go with margin. I mean, you have, well, technically for short, you have to go with margin, right? But I just keep the margin really low. Just really keep the margin really low. Because this is nothing to play at. It can liquidate you. And the way that it can liquidate you is this. Yes. Look at this. You know, this shit can happen. This is why I always set up my TPs. So this is why on Binance, when, you know, you didn't have an option of setting a stop loss and a TP at the same time, this is why I always set up my TPs. And obviously, if this would have happened, let's just say for a spot position, it wouldn't be liquidated. I know some people that lost shit ton of money here just because of leverage. And this is why I don't like to play leverage with shit coins, because I've seen this too many times. You know, if you're gonna be doing crypto for 3-4 years or something, I don't know how long you've been doing, right? But let's just say if you'd be doing crypto for 3-4 years, you're gonna see this shit a lot. So yeah, leverage is not welcome when it comes to this, and not that leverage you need to understand the risk, but if you even if you have stop loss here, you would be wrecked as fuck in that sense. I will soon open short position for Doge that I intend to leave running long term. Will close Doge. Oh, see, yeah, Classic David got the same idea. You know, Classic David is on this shit. Yes, I agree with you, Classic David. If the Doge, I'm gonna need luck to get in, right? Because if it happens the way I just described it, I'm not gonna get in, that's for sure. But if with a little bit of luck, I'm gonna get in that short too. And I, like you said, I tend to leave it running until Doge is like minus 80% at least, right? But I'm gonna make longs, right? I'm gonna make some longs, some spot longs, again, not non-leverage, some spot longs in between, right? XRP is being fueled by lawsuit news lately. The lawsuit is not done until someone in 2022, apparently, so there's lots of uncertainty there, but keep in mind the lawsuit only applies to the US. Well, in that case, 2022 has well enough time for XRP to hit $3 and then go back to bed, right? There's plenty of time crypto to hit $3 to go above and then go back to bed in a bear market. You know, if you check lately, right? I mean, I'm sure you all have seen, right? Coin listed on actual exchange, right? Actual real life exchange, right? Now, what is interesting about this coin is that they managed to capture a true essence of crypto. On day one of listing, they sold 71% of the company, right? Now tell me, isn't this a true essence of crypto? I thought this was going to be a good, investment long term, but as I heard that they sold 71% of the company, it definitely changed my mind, right? But the thing is, it definitely speaks like crypto, right? So crypto is taking over the real market and it's making them shit as well, because who the heck lists on exchanges, sells all of its company day one, right? You're definitely a person who doesn't have any faith into it. And now if the Coinbase guys who created the Coinbase or working for it for so long don't have any faith in crypto and they know what's going to happen with it, then, you know, we should be smart as well, right? Because they probably know what's happening in the backgrounds a lot better than we do, right? And there has to be a good reason why they sold 70% of their company. Mere band all working together. I don't know what do you mean in case working together, like how? Because band is okay-ish, but I would definitely take a profit. It's again on it's again on the middle. Yeah, I mean, they can all pretty much go all the time high still. They can all pretty much do it. Not gonna lie, so maybe they are working together. Yeah, VeChain. Yeah, but I actually had it open when it started the stream. VeChain was a good one. Filled it perfectly. Where was it? November. So, my paper hands. How much did I lose? 2,300% by not holding. 2,500% by not holding it. Jesus Christ, what am I losing my voice? Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, my paper hands didn't hold. Paper hands. But yeah, VeChain still good, man. Still good. Still good for a bullish continuation. Nothing bad to be said about this one. If you're holding it, still hold it. Be better than me. Please look at Bitcoin. Oh yeah, Bitcoin Cash. That's the one that I forgot. That's a midterm hold. That's the midterm hold. Suggested by none other than our Classic David, the best member on this channel, right? Boom, look at that, beautiful so far. Now let's see that 1.8k. Let's see that 1.8k, and then obviously this made a pretty good video about this, and yes, the red area was hit as well. So yeah, pretty good. All the sadness, only this one wasn't. You know, that was the one that I kind of wanted it, but shit, it's not gonna happen, right? From now, probably seen from this chart, it's not gonna happen. But this one is still open. This one is still open, right? But this is now the aggressive one. But yeah, let's just see 1.8k if it's gonna be hit. It's gonna be beautiful. So Bitcoin Cash, looking very good. Audio. Wait, what was audio again? What did you do on audio? Oh boy, I see. Well, after one TP, got stopped. What can you do, right? There's not much. There's not much you can do, sadly. Yeah, it didn't break this area, so that was the key to break it, but it just wicked over it. So that's why, you know, at least our TP was good, right, in this case. At least the TP was good. So now it went right over to the secondary area, which for you, actually daily, this actually is pretty nice, you know. I'm not gonna say this classic. Ooh, it's a big of a pullback. So if it gets filled here, you gotta be taking profits, right? 1, 2, right? 1, 2. So you're getting on, what are you getting at currently? 51%, 155, not bad, man. So yeah, that trade is good for taking again. Let me go on weekly, actually. Oh shit, weekly looks extended as F. 92%. Again, one of the charts is probably gonna hit it once the party is over, but so far it's not over yet, right? Trust Fab, no, oh yeah, that's the smart pad. No, I'll post it in the free chat. I'll post it in the free chat after this stream, right? Soulstar not out yet, not sure when. Oh wait, Soulstar is not out yet? I thought Soulstar, oh maybe I was referring to OTC prices. I mean, I seen OTC, was it OTC? I'm not sure. But I just heard that it's up a lot, so probably it was from OTC prices, you know, not gonna make some. I mean, that doesn't make any difference to me, you know. Cuban is invested in a lot of shit. Cuban is investing money left and right. He was early crypto adopter, and he was crypto adopter for a reason, because he saw money in it. And obviously he's a great guy to have on a project, obviously, right? But it doesn't mean it's gonna make money. But obviously it's gonna make money. But I'm just saying, you know, Cuban being invested doesn't mean shit anymore. He's invested in so many things he probably doesn't even know from his memory. He probably has people telling him what he's invested in. Let's just say like that. I'm pretty sure he's invested in over 100 projects easily, or companies or whatever, right? FTT, BTC, ridiculous growing. Let me see. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right, man. Should I look this? Only 400%. Wow, you know it's bad when you're like, oh, only 400%, right? Let me see this, man. Yeah, still bullish. There's not much I can tell you about this one, man. Sorry. Yeah, this one opportunity missed. Yeah, I mean, what's fine here, but what are you gonna do here, right? Are you gonna fill it right up here? Well, I mean, essentially you should, right? Because the trend is still a continuation. So yeah, I mean, if you're holding, it's good. I mean, if you want to fill it, be my guest up here. But, you know. Doge is crypto VIX. Oh, yeah. Glava, yes. Actually, that's really interesting. You actually know what VIX is. Yes, Doge could be said is crypto VIX. Let me see VIX. Volatility index for people who don't understand what VIX is. And yes, it is volatility index of regular exchanges, right? And you can see Doge is very similar. Volatility index comes down exactly at the same place and that gives reactions. But there's a good thing about volatility index. Actually, I actually expected it to be a little bit more volatility. You need to have a lot of money to trade this chart, because every pip point, actually every point is worth $1,000, so you need to have a lot of money to trade VIX. So yes, if Doge is crypto VIX, shit, man, well, you need a lot less money to trade that one, right? By the way, bigger gains on Doge. Yeah, I know there's a lot more gains on Doge USD. I don't even want to look at them, because, you know, the problem is, right, the problem is Glava. Oops, sorry, Doge USDT. If I go to Bittrex, wait, sorry, no, that was Binance. If I go to Binance and I look at my position from 1st of November or something like that, yeah, 1st of November, and you know where I sold, right? I mean, you can see where I sold, and if I pull a little line, you know, seeing that kind of hurts. Not gonna lie to you, it kind of hurts. I would have a lot of money, let's just put it like that, right? More than 10 millions at the current pace if I held those tokens, more than $10 million at the moment. So yeah, just from this trade alone. So yes, it does hurt indeed. That Dodge VIX looks criminal, yeah. No shit. Goddamn, I don't even want to think about Dodge, yeah, definitely. Well, I guess this would be it for today, guys, right? The stream has been almost 1 hour, and I guess we could call it quits before I entirely lose my voice, which I have no idea why I'm actually losing my voice. You guys in flow and cake. Wait, actually, let me check cake. Yeah, cake. Yeah, son of a bitch is bullish. Nothing. Oh, look at that recovery. Wait, let me check on daily if that was only week. Oh yeah, again, see, only week. So you see, it only got one candle, right? It technically still. So you can see it's very important for you to get multiple candles underneath. And flow. Oh, surprisingly flow. Oh yeah, okay, flow needs to hold this, yeah. If it doesn't hold this, it's probably dead. Yeah, so yeah, flow, I mean, not dead, but you know, it's gonna retest this. Probably on a lower time frame because daily it's not gonna be here. Yeah, like I said, probably on lower time frame, retest this, and then go test this again, and then see what's gonna happen there, right? If it doesn't necessarily mean it's bullish anymore. It's only 16%, but yeah, okay. Not flow, sorry, Sol. Oh, Solana, yes, sorry. Binance, bam. Look at that amazing week, right? Close back in, held this previous high as, you know, price action, and bam. Still bullish, like there's just nothing you can say about these charts otherwise, right? Oh my gosh. I was looking to invest into Solana back in 2018. Where they were first mentioned. I had private allocation to Solana, and yeah, you guess who didn't take it? Because it was bear market already. So yeah, guess who didn't take it? Another them. Well, obviously I would have never held for that long, let's be honest, right? I would have probably sold when it came on Binance. So yeah, you know how it is. Yeah guys, thank you for watching, right? So next time I'm gonna try to be there on Thursday. If everything goes to plan, I should be there on Thursday at 3 p.m. UTC. And yeah, I mean, okay, Litecoin for the road, one for the road, Litecoin, let's go. We already know where Litecoin is going, man. It's above 300 bucks. Yep. Wait, let me find an appropriate chart first. Coinbase, yes, above $300. It's happening. I mean, we said it's happening. It's gonna happen, right? This was the one I should have been in, but I'm not, right? But I am in Bitcoin Cash instead. So now I'm hoping the same thing is going to happen on Bitcoin Cash. I did a little bit miss that one, not going to lie to you. But yeah, hopefully the same thing is going to happen with Bitcoin Cash. And yeah, this one is going to all-time high. So yeah, you're still good with it. Hold it, and then take profits somewhere around here, right? Oh wait, we actually are already at profits. Yeah, sorry, what the hell am I looking at? That's probably the area. Oh yeah, oh that's why it rejected here. Let me see here. Oh Jesus, it's too far back. But yeah, I mean, this is what you need to gain now to confirm a bull market, because if after this gains, this could still go a lot. We're talking about $400, $500, right? So yeah, thank you guys for watching, I guess. Right, Arnaud? We see you next Thursday. Tuesday, sorry.
Yeah, Tuesday, right.
Yeah, at 3 p.m. UTC, same time, and hopefully nothing will go wrong that time, and we will have a happy time, right? Yeah, thank you for watching, guys.